आई केप्ट सेइंग इन माई प्रीवियस इंटरव्यूज़, अभी डांस कहाँ बचा, अब मैं आपको नॉर्मल डांस दिखाऊंगी, नॉर्मल एक एक्ट बताऊंगी, आपको मज़ा नहीं आएगा, एक्चुअली किसी को भी नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि हमको आदत हो गई है ड्रामे की, यू नो. सो एवरी टाइम वी यूज्ड टू शो एन एक्ट टू एनी ऑफ आवर प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड यू नो क्रिएटिव्स, बोलते थे ड्रामा करना है, बी लाइक व्हाट इज ड्रामा, ड्रामा मतलब कुछ स्पेशल क्या है. सो ऑल्सो एज ऑडियंसेस, as all of us have gotten used to कि हम larger than life देखें चीज़ों को, ना कि बस मैं अगर सिंपल कथक परफॉर्मेंस करूँगी या सिर्फ जैज़ करूँगी, अब लगे हाँ ठीक है वो अच्छा था, उधर से घूमते हुए गिर गया था नीचे. सो वी आर नाउ यूज टू दैट. सो आर फर्स्ट थिंग वी हैव we've gotten tied the two. बॉलीवुड गाने हैं, बॉलीवुड डांस है, बॉलीवुड ड्रामा है, एंड एक्रोबैटिक एक्ट्स है. सो एरियल एक्ट्स, we've got trapeze acts, we've got trampoline acts, बहुत सारे जो acrobatic acts होते हैं, special performances होते हैं, we're tying that with Bollywood. So that's our USP. Second, this is of course an ode to Bollywood. So हमारा जो script है वो it's this whole journey जो सिनेमा के बारे में है, जब से यू नो आई होप यू ऑल नो दैट इट्स 100 years टू आवर सिनेमा, मोर देन 100 years. और सिनेमा वी प्ले अ वेरी स्मॉल रोल, मतलब आप मैं बहुत छोटा रोल प्ले करते हैं इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ सिनेमा, बट सिनेमा इटसेल्फ प्लेज अ वेरी बिग रोल इन एवरी वन ऑफ आवर लाइफ. वी आर सो इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय इट. आज मैं जो भी हूँ ये हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में रह जाता है, पर आज हम जो भी है हम गाना सुनते हैं सो वील स्टार्ट कराइंग, हम कोई सीन देखते हैं हम उससे कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं, तो हमारे लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस है सिनेमा. सो दिस इज़ एन ओड टू बॉलीवुड दैट यू नो वी वांट टू पुट टुगेदर एंड यू नो टेक दिस शो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, a show about what is Bollywood and how can we let, third thing, the most important thing, how can we let it die. So you know I want कि हम पहले जैसे बॉक्सेस ऑफिस के बाहर खड़े रहते थे या कोई मूवी आता था, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर वो इश्क, देयर वाज दिस मूवी इश्क एंड इट वाज सो फनी एंड आई टुक माई मदर 3 times, मम्मी वापस देखेंगे वापस. अब हम एक बार भी नहीं जाते देखने, और एक बार में भी वो किसी ने कहा कि यार तुम गए नहीं देखने, अच्छी है मूवी, तो वी वेंट, अभी वी वेंट फॉर दैट मूवी, रिमेंबर, बिकॉज किसी ने हमको कहा इट्स अ नाइस मूवी. सो बट why are we letting it die? So this is my third important feature कि we are letting cinema die. और क्योंकि fake reviews है, क्योंकि हमने bought 100 crore बता दिया, बस वो है, और हमारा कुछ दिमाग हम यूज़ ही नहीं कर रहे कि we should also have an opinion about a movie, खराब, बुरा, अच्छा, bad. It's okay, everything has its thing, you know, goods and bads, but we cannot let it die. It's a very important part of our life. We are grown up with it, we are its kids. तो मुझे वही एक मैसेज भी आगे तक पहुंचाना था along with the entire team.
So take it to Bollywood. It's already doing lot of hype in Mumbai. The show is already talked about. Please tell us how this happened. How did you initiate? Tell us the whole story behind.
Well, so where do I start? This journey has not started now. This has been going on, I think, since 1 year. Yeah. After COVID, we've been talking about it, discussing. There has been a lot of back and forth. How do we put this together? What are we going to exactly do? What is the plan? But you know, in life, few things ऐसे होते हैं कि अपने आप it takes a course of its own action. So उसी तरीके से this show has come together. There's been a lot of back and forth and planning that has gone inside this. So that's how it began. Basically, this show is in South Africa. It's a Broadway Bollywood musical. So there is, and the main key feature about the show is that it's got circus acts like acrobatics and all of that, special acts, and Bollywood. So that's the whole key feature about this show. Now, having said that, we had to come up with a different concept, a script that is going to reach out to everybody, and it is going to have some effect, because जब हम स्क्रिप्ट बना रहे थे बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी माइंड में, ये डालना है, ये डालना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. तो फर्स्ट स्क्रिप्ट गॉट मतलब रिजेक्टेड, हमको इतना मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था. then we suddenly, there was a day when I realized थिएटर्स का ज़माना चला गया, तो हम तो कोई थिएटर्स जाते ही नहीं है, करेक्ट? लाइव शोज, लाइव प्लेज, that thing has died. Cinema is also kind of taking its weird action of dying. So I said, it just came to my head कि आजकल कोई एक्साइटमेंट नहीं होती, हम मूवीज जाते हैं तभी, हमें कोई वो नहीं होता कि हाँ, वी जस्ट हैव अ बैड नोशन की खराब सो वी आर लेटिंग एवरीथिंग स्लोली जस्ट लीव आवर सिस्टम एंड वी कैन नॉट लेट इट हैपन. So that has been a bit of a notion for me to put this together, and that message we wanted to put out कि let not cinema die. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी, and we have now come together and we have put this kind of message at the end. And yes, the journey also mainly belongs to Rakesh ji and Smita di. They are from South Africa. She's just come down for the press con. So I would like Smita di to say something.
So if I take it from where she said about cinema die, so just to introduce our company, which is Epic Entertainment, we have done a series of Chalo Cinema, which is 1, 2, 3, up to 5. And that was always the behind the scenes of making movies. All our stage productions were on that line with different background each time. But the essence or the primary message was, what we conveyed to our audience was mainly about Chalo Cinema, let's go to the cinemas. And so this is really tying in very well a ticket to Bollywood, the fact that cinema is dying. So what we were trying to promote initially, we faced with the time now that the same thing is, has changed. All the formats have changed and so on. So this is actually the perfect time to change the thought and the essence of the show. And we've also introduced circus this time. Ankita's choreography is going to be totally different from her other Chalo Cinema previously. And also we're introducing some magic as well. So the magic of cinema is going to also be shown, and real magic as well. So, and dance, Bollywood dancing. So it's an entertainer. So to bring you back to the stage, to entertainment, and the value of the cinema, bring all that back to everybody. That is our aim, and we're hoping we can achieve it.
Yes.
We've got our local South African dancers. We've got a few from India. So it's a collaboration with India and South Africa to uplift South African artists as well. This is also, 2-in-1. So we also benefit by having people from Mumbai come and uplift our standards in South Africa and give in, and for us to grow as well. So it has many reasons we're doing this, and we continue to do it. So yeah.
Ankita, you have your entire team here.
Yes.
Would you like to introduce?
Yes, so for everybody, this is S-Rocks, Harsh and Hiren. They have been pioneers in the whole music system in terms of जितने भी आपको पता ही होगा रियलिटी शोज में जितने भी एडिट्स देखते हो, जितने भी मिक्सेस होता है, these are the boys, this is the team. Harsh is also now done something for Remo sir for his new movie. He's given music, so congratulations on that. So yes, Harsh, I want you to say something.
We are S-Rocks Music, so we have done music for the show. And it is something different than a normal, and we are happy.
And that's Aman. He's a part of my team, and he plays a very important role. जब मेरे को नहीं कुछ समझ में आता and everything is going upside down, he's like, calm down, मैं हूँ, मैं लिख रहा हूँ, मैं कर. So basically, also I have to tie this in. The script is basically a new age, Gen Z, AI influenced character, protagonist. वो एक्टर है, डायरेक्टर है, वो आपको सब बाद में पता चलेगा, पर वो है ना बहुत आजकल के ज़माने के प्रोटैगनिस्ट है, जिनको है ना ये सब चीज़ चैट जीपीटी से पूछते हैं, एआई से पूछते हैं, सब इंस्टाग्राम पोल निकालो, लाइक खुद का मतलब थोड़ा सा जैसे ना न्यू जनरेशन होता है, सो विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड आई कम फ्रॉम अ लिटिल तब के टाइम के, सो आई एम होपिंग आप लोग काफ़ी सारे मेरे टाइम के हो, वो जो है ना हम ये दिस इज़ ए फैक्टर, बट देन ऑल्सो वी आर द ओल्ड स्कूल पीपल. हमको वो अच्छा लगता है, मैं कभी भी मैं बुक में लिखूंगी, नोट्स कट करूंगी, पेजेस फाड़ूंगी, आई स्टिल डू दैट. So yes, so what happens, it's a well balance between the two. He helps me put everything together and give me notes and all of that. So yes, that's Aman. He's gone to Broadway Dance Center. He's gone to New York. He's going to go again there. So he's trained himself there. So yes, he's a part of the team as well.
Musical Broadway है, we've been witnessing the past few years. पर आपका जो show है उसकी अगर बात करें कभी
So for this, we have created a whole musical with dialogues. So be little loud.
You're a little loud and come
There's a-
closer.
We have created a whole act with dialogues and Bollywood songs. जो अभी अंडर प्रोसेस है with her direction and the choreography. तो सब मिला के एक ये फिल्म है
हाँ.
जो आप स्टेज पे देख पाओगे और जो इन्होंने लिखा है वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. सो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट सुनने के लिए हम भी एक्साइटेड है कि एट द एंड वो कैसा सुनाई देगा और डायरेक्शन वाइज वो देखने में कितना मज़ा आएगा.
मैं आपसे जानना चाहेंगी ये टिकट टू बॉलीवुड कहाँ कहाँ वर्ल्ड में ट्रैवल होगा आफ्टर साउथ अफ्रीका. प्रीमियर इज इन साउथ अफ्रीका
Yes.
in May,
Hmm.
April 8th. Where will it be traveling on? So
So-
when do we get to see it in Mumbai?
Oh, we're hoping soon. But for now, we've got South Africa in Cape Town and Johannesburg after Durban. We hope if successful, this is just the pilot, the initial, and after that we hope to work on it further, make it bigger and take it to Cape Town, Johannesburg. Thereafter, we're hoping London. Mumbai, I think, is the first stop because it's this collaboration between Mumbai and South Africa. So it should start here. And we're hoping from here to the UK and the US for now. Mauritius is another stopover. But it's all still being in the planning stages of the.
अंकिता एक बॉलीवुड एक्टर जिसे आप टिकट टू बॉलीवुड करते हुए दिख रहे हैं.
Yes, I also want to add that I really want to take this show to NMACC because I know this is going to reach out to all the Bollywood lovers. See, हमारा Bollywood पैदा तो इधर ही हुआ है. So when I was doing my whole research about what must my script be, पैदा इधर हुआ है बॉम्बे में. We were called Bombay and that's why Bombay, B for Bombay, B for Bollywood. So I want to reach out to Bollywood lovers. So yes, I'm hoping when we come to Mumbai, we do it at NMACC. And yes, coming to your question, I have approached couple of actors. So my story has got only 2 protagonists. Okay, वो मैं आपको भी रिवील नहीं कर सकती. But there are जो 2 protagonists है उसमें से एक बहुत important role play करता है. एक important किरदार है वो जो पूरे शो को जोड़ता है. Now I have reached out to a couple of actors from our industry. I'm hoping that we get to boil down to somebody who fits perfectly. And yes, we are still looking for the right kind of actor क्योंकि वो ऐसा किरदार है जिनको ये पूरे जो स्टोरी है ये पूरा जो शो है वो जोड़ के आगे चलना है. So he has to be really a reflection of Bollywood. So that's what we are aiming to soon find, the right actor.
अंकिता, which is that one actor you would want?
I would want, if you ask me, oh then who wouldn't want SRK? I would love Shah Rukh sir to just come and be a part of a show. I just really hope, and I think if I'll see him, I'll just be like, I'll forget my script. I'll just say, आप 1 घंटा स्टेज पे रहो, मैं बाकी कर लूँगी, कुछ नहीं करना.
The show will be a hit.
Oh, hit is an understatement. I mean, just his presence, just his aura. If I think I'm dreaming too big.
Putting it out there.
With all the best. We are open for questions now.
मैम जितने अच्छे जो टिकट टू बॉलीवुड है आपने कब सोचा किस तरह का प्रोग्राम करना चाहिए और आउट ऑफ कंट्री भी आप बुक कर रहे हो. इससे हमारे हिंदुस्तान का नाम भी रोशन हो रहा है कि हम कहीं हॉलीवुड की मूवी बॉम्बे में शूट करके हम पूछते हैं भाई ये हॉलीवुड की मूवी है आप भी साउथ अफ्रीका में शूट करें तो अभी नाम होगा हमारे हिंदुस्तान का नाम होगा. तो इससे आपने सेट की इस तरह से प्रोजेक्ट करना चाहिए.
So जैसे आपको स्मिता महाराज इनका नाम है, तो स्मिता दी ने बताया कि इनका एकेडमी है उधर, डांस एकेडमी फॉर 45 इयर्स चल रहा है. हमारे देश में हमारा कल्चर हम थोड़ा सा भूलने लगे हैं या हम अंडर प्ले करते हैं हमारे कल्चर को, पर वहाँ वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुली हमारे कल्चर को ग्रो कर रहे हैं. इट्स अ कथक डांस कंपनी बाय द वे. हर साल उनका कथक का शो होता है. And you know, it has been, so I have associated with them. I have been in connection with them since many years. We've done shows in the past. एक है उनका, एक ब्राइडल फेयर करके होता है, एक इनका चलो सिनेमा. There are a lot of shows that we've done, but those were just, but they've always tried. The best part about Nateshwar and Epic Entertainment is they've always tried to bring in cinema to the world. हम किस तरीके से और इस चीज़ को आगे बढ़ाए. सो इट वॉज देयर इनिशिएटिव. दे थॉट ऑफ दिस शो. एंड हमारी, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, बहुत सालों से बात हो रही थी कैसे करें, क्या करें. एंड दे वर वेरी एडमेंट. मतलब जैसे हम, होता है ना कि हमारा लाइफ इन बॉम्बे में बहुत फास्ट है, तो हम एक प्रोजेक्ट किए, फिर मैंने स्टूडियो खोल दिया, फिर मैंने पॉडकास्ट कर लिया. वी आर डूइंग 10 अदर थिंग्स. फॉर देम, they just do one thing and they keep doing it, keep bringing, keep doing it. So that's what I love about them also. So yes, it was their actually baby, उनका baby. फिर उन्होंने फिर हमारे साथ शेयर किया. फिर उन्होंने मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज़ बताई, नेम ऑफ द शो, अ टिकट टू बॉलीवुड. अब उन्होंने कहा, अब तुम सोचो, देखो तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या आता है, मतलब यू नो, एंड वी हैव सर्क एंड बॉलीवुड. अब यू प्लान दिस, नाउ यू मेक इट. देन आई सैट विद राकेश जी, राकेश महाराज, who owns Epic Entertainment. फिर हमने brainstorm किया, what can we do, and they are there. By the way, I have to tell you, the team is in South Africa. The entire team is in South Africa. Only them are here and us are here, and she's just come for the media launch. The team is there, and मैं रोज़ टीम से, राकेश जी से coordinate कर रही हूँ. शिवाल is there. हम लोग बात करते रहते, क्या सोचे, and we are all this is happening on video calls. Whole planning, whole scripting, whole editing तो यहाँ हो रहा है, but whole changes, जो भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें, everything on video call. So yes, and I would want her to say, where did this thought came, what came to your mind, and from Chalo Cinema to this.
I think it was Rakesh that actually wanted to do something bigger and something different, because we had explored all the general in Chalo Cinema, starting very simply. In fact, one of the choreographers is here, Vaibhav Joshi, from Chalo Cinema 1 and 2 and 3, I think he did. And so from that, you know, it was about Bollywood. So Rakesh says that, you know, we need to get something more into this, make it appealing. We've been seeing all the live shows, you know, the very popular dance-based dance dramas. So we did Desi, what we did, the Desi Girls, or some different programs of dance. And then we said, no, we need to get something on a notch bigger. That's where the circus and the collaboration between a circus company in Cape Town, Ankita as choreographer from Mumbai, and in Durban, our team of dancers and lighting and special effects and so on. So that's where it started, you know, to what was different. It was the magic of Bollywood and entering Bollywood, and that was the ticket, and that's how he thought about it. And actually this time I think the title came first.
Yes,
The
it
title,
was,
and then
it was just a thought.
yeah,
A ticket to Bollywood. And then उस चीज़ को, फिर then you know we made the first script, मज़ा नहीं आया. It was like, you know, linear चल रहा था. पहले ज़माने में क्या होता है, अब क्या होता है. It just got boring. So we said we have to think something beyond. नहीं तो सब बोर हो जाओगे, आप लोग भी बोर हो जाओगे. हमारी attention span वैसे ही कम है. So yes, that's how it started.
Ankita, my question is it one story that you're telling with this Broadway show? Is it going to be a series of dances, songs, heroines?
Right.
And are you doing languages in that? Because Bollywood is not restricted to just Hindi. We have so many different languages. This is a combination of.
So okay, I'll take you through the show. Basically, it's a script between these two protagonists, and it's all in English because it's an international audience. Unko to obviously they don't understand. In fact, my first script I put little bit Hindi. Even my circus agency artist head, she was like, I don't understand anything because they are absolutely unaware of Bollywood में क्या, मतलब बॉलीवुड तो थोड़ा बहुत पता होगा उनको, शाहरुख खान, अमिताभ बच्चन, उससे ज़्यादा उनको कुछ नहीं पता होता. So I had to make sure that I reach out to them in their language. So the entire script is in English, but yes, there are bits and spurts on screen and live performances of somebody saying the famous dialogue. मेरे पास बंगला है, पैसा है, गाड़ी है, आपके पास क्या है? But then we have another dialogue सेनोरिटा, छोटी छोटी देशों में बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें, बड़ी बड़ी देशों में छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती रहती है. सो वी गॉट दीज डायलॉग्स कि आपको वो याद आ जाए, अरे हाँ ये टाइम पे दिस हैपेंड, अच्छा वो टाइम पे वो दिस हैपेंड, एंड द whole thing is weaving around. Just say also we went Natu, so has gone to Oscars. So I have to bring that. So the entire show is all these things that makes Bollywood, and we how it has influenced our life. Like वो चीज़ हम भूल गए कि हम जो भी है बुक्स किताबों से ज़्यादा बॉलीवुड ने हमको इन्फ्लुएंस किया है. तो हम जो भी जैसे भी बिहेव करते हैं, रोते हैं, कोई सिचुएशन पे रिएक्ट करते हैं, we actually do it somewhere. And I have to be very if I have to be very क्या कहते हैं, diplomatic, and then I'll be not diplomatic. Diplomatic is COVID ने सबको बिगाड़ दिया. We got used to staying at home, watching Netflix. Cinema started going down. You know, honestly speaking, you know, we got
It was
so
a
comfortable.
situation.
Situation. We got so comfortable. घर पे बैठ के देख लूँगी ना, वो आ जाएगा नेटफ्लिक्स में, अभी मैं क्यों जाऊँ. But the experience, अब क्या हो गया, ये कौन करता है घर पे बैठ के. हमारे mom, if my mother still here, she still doesn't watch it. But no, I'm going to go watch in theater only because she's old school. अब ये ज़्यादातर कौन करते हैं, the new age people, because they want comfort, they get anxiety too fast, the new generation. So they cannot push themselves beyond a point, and they are very happy to be at the comfortable space. What they are missing is the fact that when you go and experience the big screen, and when that actor is larger than life in front of you, and the वो जब गाड़ी घूम रहा है इतना जोर का, that they are missing, क्योंकि हम तो इतने छोटे वाले स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं. वो मैजिक, वो मिस हो रहा है. अब थोड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल होकर हमको जाना पड़ेगा, करना पड़ेगा. we'll have to push ourselves and have faith. The second thing I feel is the influence of a lot of people. I have to be diplomatic, right? A lot of people who are influencing a lot of us. तो हम क्या होता है, उनके रिव्यू सुन लिए भाई, पर वो कितने साल से सिनेमा में, वो कितने साल से बॉलीवुड में, वो कितने उन्होंने कितनी टाइम दिया बॉलीवुड का. हाउ एम आई गेटिंग इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय दिस influencer or this media person or this, where is my brain? Why am I not having a vision, even if it's bad? मेरे को तो जाना चाहिए ना कि एक मूवी बनने में आप सबको पता है कितना आप लोग कितना मेहनत करते हो. एक ये जो आपने किया, अभी जाके एडिट करोगे, आप लोगों को पता होता है कितना मेहनत लगता है टू मेक अ मूवी, और हम बस एक सेकेंड में बोल देते हैं इट्स हॉरिबल. फेयर इनफ, इट्स हॉरिबल, बट एटलीस्ट डोंट बी रूथलेस. So, I feel we have to go out and do our bit by just watching the cinema, and it's dying because
quality of story or filmmaking. Primarily, so I think
I want to add a point to that, to what you just said. So in foreign countries also, like for instance South Africa, recently a friend of mine said that, which movie did you see last? How was it? They asked me, because they said they don't want to see the movies that are coming out that are like Hollywood. They say because we miss our Bollywood, like Indian, we want to have that connection. So that old is gold thought and enjoyment of older movies and that style, that's what they want to see. This is the, my generation and so on. They don't want to see rehash of, they can go and watch a Western, Indian, go and watch an English movie dubbed.
the quality of storytelling or filmmaking.
All has changed.
उसके ऊपर भी
in fact ऐसे अभी which movie did we see last? I was so tired. We finished Diplomat, right?
Diplomat.
I finished. I was so tired. I was dying, and like I wanted to just go home and sleep. And there my he's hiding. My better half is somewhere around. So anyway, he said we are going for movie, and I said okay, fine. We are very tired. रात को 12 बजे we've gone to watch this movie called Diplomat. I'm just giving you an example. अगर उन्होंने मुझे force नहीं किया था हम दोनों को, we wouldn't have gone. Thinking who's going to watch this? There's no big thing about the movie. The movie was excellent. For example, second movie I'll tell you, 12th Fail. Look at the movie. Initially, the first few days, nobody was going. Nobody was there because उन्होंने कहा हाँ there is no big star, big. But the movie did so well. We have to have faith. हम वेट कर रहे हैं जब रिव्यू आएगा, जब कोई कुछ बोलेगा, जब किसी के ओपिनियंस आएंगे, then we'll decide. So I don't think the levels, the you know the movie levels have gone down or the quality of the cinema has gone down. It's just people are being more experimental because we are also in the world ना जहाँ पे experiment करना ज़रूरी है. और नहीं करेंगे तो बोलेंगे वही चीज़ कर रहे हो वही कर रहे हैं. So अगर experiment कर रहे हैं flop हो रहा है तो क्या हो गया? हमें तो उनको experiment करने में भी वो प्रोत्साहित encouragement देना चाहिए I feel.
क्या remakes वही वजह हो सकती है?
Possible. See, but उसका भी
अवेलेबल रहती है
absolutely agreed. That's true. But what's the I mean ठीक है ना मतलब हम गाने भी तो रीमिक्स करते ही हैं हम सब चीज़ रीमिक्स करते हैं लाइफ में ना तो एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करने पे भी क्या जाता है आई फील that's what's art ना you have to keep experimenting you have to keep rebuilding you have to keep redefining then what's the point अगर हम पुरानी भी कोई चीज़ है उसको अगर जैसे आप लोग भी मीडिया हो अगर आपको कल थोड़ा जैसे पहले तो सब आप लोग डिफरेंट होते थे has been exported from a particular country to South Africa this so the production has been taken care of like that so there's going to be like a what is this like a curved screen kind of thing so you get a effect like that तो यहाँ पे भी चीज़ें हो रही है वहाँ पे भी चीज़ें पीछे भी कुछ हो रहा है performances are happening aerial acts are happening and then my two protagonists came so one protagonist is this new age person who believes in chat GPT Gen